Hey guys, it's Mike again with TV Parts Today. We're going to be doing something pretty simple today. We get a lot of calls about this. We're going to be showing you how to do a flashlight test to check whether or not your backlights are bad in your TV set. As always, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 if you need to place an order, and let's get into it. All right guys, for this flashlight test, we have this unit that has sound but no picture, which is typically a symptom of bad backlights. So to check this, you're gonna want to get a flashlight and then just to shut the lights off in the room that you're working on. What I'm gonna do here is just turn this unit on, and you're gonna hear it booting up. Let's wait for it here.
Please press the OK button on your remote.
Okay, we've got sound, no picture. At this point, you take your flashlight and try to find, there we have it. You hold your flashlight directly up to it and you can see that there is indeed picture going to the unit. There's just no backlights firing. And that's how you do a flashlight test. So there you go, pretty simple there. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep in mind, if you do subscribe to our channel, you will qualify for 20% off your first order. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget,
You can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.